welcome back to my channel. My name is Dari. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe so that you know when I upload future videos. Today we're actually running a few errands because we're actually going on a little vacation or getaway, I guess, right? Getaway. Yeah, so we're buying a few things that we need for that, and also I need to get an oil change for my car because it's been notifying me and it's super annoying, and I just want to get that done. Also, you want to go to the movies? I think we should go to the movies. I think they have the new Soul movie.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I want to go to the movies tonight, so hopefully we get to do that. And I also want to try, there's a fair by my house. It's like a little fall fair. It's supposed to be like a big one, so we'll check it out together, I guess, and walk around the neighborhood, just see how these houses are decorated, and yeah, I'll take you guys with me, so let's go.
We were up to 4 skeletons now, so I think we're getting there too. Yeah.
That makes me time to keep my sleeping bag for the
That looks good. I'm jealous. It's okay. Okay guys, so we're back home. We actually decided to come back home so that we'll be able to let the dogs out before we head out to the movie theaters later. So, we're just gonna hang out a little bit, chill for a little bit or whatever. And I also wanted to give you guys a little home update because I purchased a glass shelf. It's a corner glass shelf actually for my dining area here, just so that I can put the liquor that I have here on the island table, and just try to minimize the clutter. I can't stand clutter so much, so that would eliminate so much stuff there, and that way I can also decorate it really nice and simple or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the shelf in a minute, but you guys check out my nails. Aren't they cute? Halloween, I'm obsessed. Love Halloween, love this time of year. Oh my God, I love decorating for Halloween. Christmas, I love decorating, you guys know, but that's on a whole different level, so you guys will get to see that. I think also Anna got inspired today and she's like, I'm gonna put a few things out before we head to the movie. So she's in the front porch, just, you know, adding some things there just so that it won't be so much for the rest of the stuff that we have to put there. But yeah, let me show you guys the shelf. But also, if I don't get to say goodbye later, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit the notification, thumbs up, and also click like on my video if you liked it. That way it'll, you know, the algorithm will start sharing my videos. And also the next vlog should be a Halloween home tour, and the one after that should be where I'm gonna take you guys along with me to our little getaway. So don't miss that vlog. It's gonna be super exciting. You guys are gonna love it. So let me show you guys the shelf. Okay, so this is the island that I was talking about here in my dining area. I'm just going to remove all those liquor bottles that I have there, and you know, just fix it up a little bit where it doesn't look so cluttered. I can't stand that. I mean, I liked it. It looks okay, but I feel like it looks so cluttered. So I just want to, you know, make it a little bit more simple. And this is the glass shelf that I purchased. I think it's gonna look so cute. As you can see, you could put some wine bottles there and some glasses there as well. And I'm just gonna put it right there in that little corner. And you guys actually see a sneak peek of a little Halloween decor, but that's gonna be on my next video. So yeah, so this is how it looks now. Let me see your shirt.